Hi guys, today we're going to talk about representing a number sentence as a word problem. So we're looking at subtraction again, and you're going to actually write your own word problems to match a number sentence that I give you. Okay, let's get started. First of all, let's remember and think back to the language that we will see in word problems if it's asking us to do a subtraction or a takeaway. So we might see the word subtract. We might see how many more, or how much more does someone have than the other person, or if something gets removed, something gets taken away, or what is the difference between two numbers? How many fewer does someone have than another person, or how much less does someone have? What change will be given if your problem is something to do with money or minus? So remember these words because you could use some of these in your own word problems. Okay, here's a number sentence for you, and this time we're going to make up a word problem about apples. So there were 54, take away 4 equals. Okay, let's see if we can think of a word problem to match that number sentence. Here we go. John had 54 apples to sell at his shop. He sold 4 apples. How many does he have left? Okay, let's have a look at some of the key words that I've used to tell the person to do a takeaway or subtraction. John had 54 apples to sell at his shop. He sold, if someone sells something, we know that some have been taken away. How many does he have left? Left is the other one that signals to us that some have been taken away. Okay, if we were to use a number line to figure out this answer, we'd start at 54, which is here, and we'd count back 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we'd land on 50. So how many apples does John have left? That's right, he has 50 apples left. Here's another one. Here is the number sentence, and this time I want it to be about bottle tops. Okay, so think of a word problem to do with bottle tops using this number sentence here. Pause it here, write it down, and then come back. Okay, let's look at the one that I came up with. Abby has collected 63 bottle caps and Beth has collected 2. How many more does Abby have? Okay, so this is sort of asking us what's the difference between how many Abby has and how many Beth has. Let's circle some of the key words that I've used that tell you to do a takeaway. So Abby has collected 63 bottle caps and Beth has collected 2. How many more does Abby have? So this one, how many more? Remember we talked about that language. That means that we're going to do a takeaway. All right, so using the number line, let's figure out the answer. Let's start on 63 and count back 2. 1, 2. So how many more does Abby have? She has 61 more than Beth. All right, this time I want you to come up with a word problem about money using this number sentence here. So 45 take away 10 equals. Then you can use the number line to figure out your answer. Pause it now and then come back. Okay, how did you go? It could have been something like, I went to the shops with $45. I spent $10 on some lollies. How much was I left with? Another one could be, Joe had $45, Ben had 10. How much more money does Joe have? Let's figure out the answer using the number line. Let's start on 45 and count back 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So how much more money does John have? $35 more than Ben. Okay, now it's your turn. You're going to complete the practice task, writing some word problems to match number sentences. Good luck.